Does extreme couponing really save money, and is it worth the time? What is couponing? Couponing is using specials given by vendors in order to save money on your purchases. You will find coupons for just about anything both online or offline. They are most well known for those you can use to save money at the grocery store. Whether you choose to use those given to you online or offline, the process is fairly random. Shoppers use them when they are given and typically don't deviate from their chosen purchases. What is extreme couponing? Extreme couponing is more intentional. It involves strategizing within the rules. Typically, an extreme couponer is paying attention to more than what the manufacturer offers. They are looking at which stores are offering the best deals to combine with that coupon. They are also leveraging online resources for deals that may occur for a short period of time. This allows for even more savings than the normal shopper, and in some cases, they pay pennies on the dollar. Is extreme couponing doable? Extreme couponing is doable regardless of your time constraints. You do have to understand some of the leveraging strategies in order to get the best savings. In most cases, most of the best deals are won by the savviest of couponers before normal shoppers ever see them. However, anyone can do them once they understand a few basic principles. There is a video course that will walk you through the basics of extreme couponing. If you'd like to find out more about it, check out the link you see on your screen.